What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Tesla video. In this one, I want to show you guys some quick helpful tips and tricks when using Smart Summon. So as you can see here, I have What the Frunk, and there is no Come to Me button. I'm going to show you how to enable it, and I'll show you the difference between Come to Me and setting a route. So if you look up here, there's a new setting. So if we go under autopilot, it's something called standby mode. And this is the only new thing that comes with the whole Smart Summon update, at least that I noticed. It has the little eye, so basically what it does is it will keep your sensors, cameras, and computer powered on to reduce the amount of time required to begin summon. It'll obviously use more battery power, and it'll shut off at 20%, kind of like Sentry mode and Dog mode. It's like that 20% limit. And they have exclude home, exclude work, and exclude favorites. So in those situations, standby mode will not be running. When you have it enabled, however, you can see here the Come to Me option comes on. So you can actually see it on your main page when you're able to summon. If you go down to summon itself down here, you have two options. So if we can click Smart Summon, you have Go to Target, which we can go to any target within the circle. Or if you click the little target button up here, you have the Come to Me option that appears. Just something to note that if I can get it to flip. So if we hit Come to Me, it's not going to really go anywhere because we are here. And you can actually do this in the car, by the way. You still have access to the screen, but it's not going to go anywhere because we're here. I'm going to actually move farther back and I'll show you the difference of what I mean. So give me 1 minute. Alright, I want to talk about the difference between using the Come to Me at the top versus the one that is like through the Summon button. So if you go back and you hit Summon here, you can see Smart Summon. This view here will give you a blue line showing you exactly where it's trying to go throughout the parking lot. It's using a satellite street view, which you can toggle on and off if you want. And the minute you start holding the button down, it's going to go to your target or come to you. And this is pretty much what you see. So you can see the kilometers per hour in the bottom right. You can see whatever it's in, park, reverse, neutral, drive in the bottom left. And it's pretty simple. You just click it and hold it and it'll come to you accordingly. But, however, if you go to the main app and you hit Come to Me, this is when you get this really cool view. It will flicker like you see on my screen, and that's just basically keeping you up to date, and it'll show you all the things around it. It says pausing for intersections, pausing for people, so on and so forth. I personally really like this view, but it is kind of cool that they give you an option between the 2 or 3, but you have to know how to use the app, and that's why I made this video, to help you guys. If you did find it helpful, leave a like on the video, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think of Smart Summon so far. If you have not seen my Smart Summon party video, I got a bunch of friends together to do a big meetup with Smart Summon. It was a ton of fun. The video was really cool. Definitely check that one out. I have a link to that in the description below as well. So like, comment, subscribe for the latest and greatest Tesla content, and as always, most importantly, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time.